If your car's heater is not working, it can make driving in cold weather uncomfortable and even unsafe. Here's a quick guide to help you find out why your car has no heat and how to fix it. Start by opening the hood and checking the coolant reservoir, as low coolant is one of the most common reasons your car may not produce heat. If the coolant level is below the minimum mark, it can prevent hot coolant from reaching the heater core. To fix this, top up the reservoir with the correct type of coolant specified for your vehicle. Zerex Asian vehicle coolant is specially formulated, helping maintain proper engine temperature and ensuring efficient heat transfer. It prevents rust, corrosion, and build-up that can block the heater core, helping fix and avoid heating problem in your car. A stuck-open thermostat can keep the engine from warming up, causing a lack of heat in the car. A key sign of this problem is a temperature gauge that stays low even after the engine has been running for a while. If this is the case, replacing the thermostat is often a simple and affordable fix that can be done with basic tools. With the engine warmed up, carefully check the two hoses connected to the heater core by feeling them. Both hoses should be hot to the touch. If one is noticeably cooler than the other, it may indicate a clogged heater core, which can block the flow of hot coolant and prevent the heater from working properly. In this case, flushing the heater core or the entire cooling system may be necessary to restore heat. Check the heater control valve if your vehicle is equipped with one, as it regulates the flow of coolant into the heater core. When you adjust the temperature dial inside the car, this valve should open or close accordingly to control heat output. If the valve is stuck, blocked, or not functioning properly, it can prevent hot coolant from reaching the heater core. In such cases, the valve may need to be replaced to restore proper heating. Trapped air in the cooling system can block coolant flow to the heater core, reducing or stopping heat output. To fix this, you need to add enough engine coolant to the cooling system using the correct procedure for your vehicle. This process removes trapped air and ensures smooth circulation of coolant, helping restore proper engine and heater performance. If you notice no airflow or weak airflow from the vents, the problem could be with the blower motor. You can test the blower motor directly by applying power or using a multimeter to check for continuity. If the motor does not respond or shows signs of failure, it will likely need to be replaced to restore proper air circulation in the heating system. Regular checks and maintenance can restore heat in your car. If the problem continues, consult a mechanic.